Hey everyone, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today we'll be taking a look at some of our industrial panel PCs, the OMI6800CP Series. They are fanless, IP66 rated panel PCs. They are built to withstand vibration, dust, and moisture, all while delivering smooth performance for SCADA, automation, and HMI applications. Let's go over the full lineup of sizes in the OMI6800CP Series so you know your options. There's a 24-inch model, 21-inch, 19-inch, 18-inch, 17-inch, 16-inch, 15-inch, 12-inch, 10-inch, 8-inch, and a 7-inch. Every model in the OMI6800CP series has an Intel Celeron J6412 quad-core processor. They are UL listed. They have a rugged IP66 rated aluminum enclosure. They have a projected capacitive touchscreen. The 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 inch have an operating temperature of negative 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And the 21 and 24 inch have an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. There's Windows or Linux options. There's an optional Wi-Fi kit with Bluetooth support, and they all support third-party SCADA software like Aveva Edge, Ignition, and FactoryTalk. They can have horizontal or vertical view, and they are VESA or panel mount. Now I want to show you what the OMI6824CP will look like out of the box. When you remove it from the box, it will be encased in foam and also wrapped in anti-static plastic. You will also receive a Maple Systems warranty. There will also be some accessories. You will receive several mounting brackets and screws for panel mounting. And then also there will be a 9-to-36 VDC power connector and power adapter. Let's take a look at the features on the OMI6824CP. First, on the back, you can see that there are 4 screw holes. These are 4 VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounting screw holes. Also on the back down here is where you would locate an embedded or a non-embedded Windows license. So you can see here that this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it is plug and play. You can also purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And at the end of this video, I will share a link to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this panel PC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Let's take a look at the bottom of the panel PC. There is some I/O. Starting over on the left side, there's a 9-to-36 VDC power connector, DisplayPort, serial DE9P COM port. There's a 1 gigabit Ethernet port and one 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, 2 USB 3.2 host ports, a 3.5 millimeter line out for audio, another serial DE9P COM port, which is RS232. Then there are 2 USB 2.0 host ports. Also, please refer to the OMI6800CP series datasheet to see the I/O for the other models. This can be found on the Maple Systems website. Now I have a power supply connected to the OMI6824CP. So I'm going to turn on my power supply, and you see the Windows logo. This PC has Windows 11 installed on it. There's the user welcome screen, and there it is. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial panel PCs, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.